are having a good day today. So I would like to introduce Mr. Ankit and his team. I had a very good experience. I did my hair transplant just 2 days, like yesterday and day before, with the team. I am completely satisfied till now, and it was not painless, but it was a manageable experience. Very good.
I was not expecting anything better. The team did well, and overall I am happy with the procedure done till date, and I am looking forward to next few weeks and months, and I am very positive of the amazing results which I know other patients of Dr. Ankit have received. I got here from reference with my close family, and I'll definitely recommend and refer my friends to Hairsmith. Thank you.
I make a deal with God.